design and implementation of model predictive control on three-phase, three-level neutral point clamped inverter with output LC filter based on hydral power system. Me, Mohammed Yasin Hussain, and my fellow is Mr. Bakar Tahir. Please move on to the next slide. Let's start with the introduction of the idea. Due to energy crisis, the world is shifting from non-renewable energy resources towards the renewable energy resources. The trend of energy generation from hydro is escalating across the globe with the increasing interest in green energy production. Our aim is to design an electrical system based on hydropower for generation of electricity. It will be designed to generate DC voltage by employing hydropower plant, and afterwards various parameters will be controlled to provide optimal and stable output voltage. A gravitational water vortex technique will be used to generate electricity from hydropower plant. This is the new technique which we are implemented on our idea. A model predictive control technique will be employed on three-phase, three-level neutral point clamped inverter for rapid response, stable operation, and to remove steady-state errors from our system. Three-level inverters are used to reduce the harmonic distortion from our system to their maximum level and to increase the power ratings up to a level of several megawatts. The stability factor of our system is much greater than that of the traditional inverters and is according to the standards of American Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, IEEE. Please move on. Let's begin with the innovation in our idea. We are going to embed another renewable energy resource with inverters, which I have discussed to you before. We are going to use a hydropower system for and are going to embed it with the inverters. A prototype will be developed on the initial level to implement the proposed technique. A new technique for the production of electricity is discussed, which is termed as gravitational water vortex power plant. Problem of large head for the production of electricity is removed. Actually, this technique is can generate electricity up to a level of 0.3 to 1 meter. If we have a height of 0.3 to 1 meter, we can easily generate electricity from by using this gravitational water vortex technique. This system can help us to store the DC generated voltage. Three-level inverters can be used in our homes so that more power ratings can be achieved. One of the best technique known as model predictive technique is control is used to control the switching of the inverter so that errors can be minimized. Implementation. Three-level in neutral point clamped inverters model will be implemented on MATLAB and Simulink model. Protein circuitry of the model will be developed as well. AutoCAD model of the gravitational water vortex will be done to check the proper dimensioning of the model. Hardware model of the gravitational water vortex will be implemented on small canals.
You have 1 minute left. You have 1 minute left.
Marketing benefits are it is pollution free, cost effective. It can be done. It can act as a replacement of traditional inverters. More power ratings can be achieved at low cost. Gravitational water vortex technique needs to generate energy at a local level. Local level we can generate energy. More loads can be attached at the output of the inverter. Please move on to the future recommendations. The same system development with the same system can be developed with the other techniques like deadbeat predictive control. Modeling of the same system with higher level of inverters like 5, 7, and 9 can also be implemented and done. Other techniques for the generation of electricity can be which are for at a domestic level can also be implemented on this efficiency of the neutral point clamped